ang bida.
The 1300-meter race is on its way. Two runners are slow out, Battle Creek and Queen Elizabeta. Back to the leader, Maze the Ninja, leading the field, running alongside a striking bell. Then racing in third is Alta's Choice, moving up, Best Man. Next in line, Bouncer, Concert King. Moving up down on the inside is Battle Creek by the rail. Is Magical Bell alongside is Swing Boat. And trailing the group is entry number 3, Queen Elizabeta. Rounding at a 600. Now the course of the wind has been altered. Alta's Choice takes the lead in between runners. Moving up now on the outside is the favorite 6A Best Man. Down on the inside, Maze the Ninja is sneaking in his Battle Creek. And down the stretch they come. Battle Creek takes the lead. This time by about a length and a half. Running in second on the outside, Best Man, Alta's Choice. Moving up is Concert King with 50 meters to race. Esteban Sagundevera on Battle Creek. 6A Best Man, Alta's Choice. Then comes Concert King, 6 Swing Boat, and number 1 Magical Bell.